Hello guys, welcome to another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to link your Instagram account to your YouTube. So for this, you have to open your Instagram icon. Now, second step is to visit your profile. Here you can see the option of edit profile or share profile. You have to click on the share profile option. And from here, you have to copy the link. Now your link has been copied. Now you have to open your Chrome. After opening Chrome, you have to search in the search bar YouTube Studio.com. Here the option available. Now from here you have to click on the YouTube Studio. After visiting the YouTube Studio, you have to click in the top here corner setting option. You have to click here. After clicking here, you can see there are many options available like dashboard, content, analytics, comment, subtitle, copyright, and have to click on the customization option. So here, the channel customization appear. When you will scroll down, there is the option of add link where you have to click. So you have to copy the URL which you have copied from your Snap to Instagram. So paste here. Now here you can see link title. You have to return here Instagram. So like I'm writing here Instagram. And now here is the option of publish, from where you can publish. You have to click on the publish option. Now you can see that your Instagram link has been added to your YouTube. So this is the way to add your Instagram link to YouTube. Hope you like the video.